Hey guys, it's the Pokémon GX, and you may be wondering what happened to our review station. So, with school starting in a few weeks, our review station got in the way of our desk, so we need to find a new place. So this is also only temporary, like the last video where we pulled Tapu Lele. So many of you are wondering, with the release of Pokemon Burning Shadows, why I didn't buy a pre-release. Well, there were no pre-releases in the area, so this will make up for it. We went to Target searching for Burning Shadows, and 2 weeks early, we found the Tsareena GX box. 2 packs of Burning Shadows, count them right there. And I've seen a few of those of the YouTubers who've already opened this, but only like 2, like Pokesoup and some other channel. So I'm going to rip this open. Yeah. I don't care about the wrapping. Okay, I think that was good enough. All right, now let's put all this trash to the side, and you can put that back propped up. And our promo card. So, I wish they made the American boxes like the Japanese boxes. The Japanese ones do much better at getting the packages easy to take the cards out. Okay. Here's our jumbo card. Also, that's Tsareena. Okay. Now that we have all that out of the way, time to get the packs. Oh wait, forgot about the code card. All you guys can get that early. Woo! Just gonna move this trash. And let's see. Let's go oldest to newest. We'll start with a pack of Breakthrough. So they didn't have green code cards back then, so it doesn't matter if it's a white code card in this set. So white code card, whatever, didn't count back then. Breakthrough. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ursaring. Super Rod, but you know what? I'm just going to check them to the side. Super Rod, Dedenne, Sandshrew, Flabébé, Fennekin, Starly, Swinub, Reverse Swinub, and Mr. Mime. Boo! Ah, boo! You see, this breakthrough is why I don't like it. Okay. On to Sun and Moon. Oh, and let us know in the comments, do you like Sun better or Moon better? And it looks like we have a green code card, so bah! Disgusting. Here's your code, everybody. Do the pack trick. Simeon, Great Ball, Boldor, Makuhita, Shelter, Togedemaru, Poplio, Zubat, Reverse Eevee, and Decidueye. Okay, Next, we have our beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Burning Shadows. I like Marshadow. I'm saving them for after. Hallelujah. White code. And here's the Burning Shadows code for all you people. Simisear. Porygon 2. Charmeleon. Magikarp. Alolan Rattata. Wimpod. Togedemaru. Sock. Panpour. Don't worry, I see it. Oh! Necrozma GX! Full art! Oh my gosh! It's beautiful! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay. Well. What a... Oh, Steel type energy. Whatever. Okay, what a pack. What a pack. I'm still in shock right now. Burning Shadows, you blessed me. Not. Green code. But whatever, at least we got a full art Necrozma. That is great. Plumeria, Seadra. I hope I get it. It's your boy Guzma. I like him. Wobbuffet, Cutie Fly, Monkey, Boo, Magikarp, Alolan Rattata, Wimpod, Buffalant, and a Meowstic. And some fire. Okay. Boo Monkey. No one like Monkey. Oh wait, I forgot. We had Simisear as our rare. Okay. We got the Tsareena GX promo. And then we got a Necrozma GX full art. I'm sorry I don't have my sleeves on me. Whatever. And oh, come on, cat. Come on. Nope. Okay. My cat will not say hi. Okay. This is awesome. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.